Protein deficiency can lead to a variety of symptoms and health problems. Proteins are essential macronutrients that are important for the growth and repair of tissues, the maintenance of a strong immune system, and the production of enzymes and hormones. When the body doesn't get enough protein, it can affect several functions and processes. Here are some common symptoms of protein deficiency. Muscle wasting. Lack of protein can cause muscle wasting, which means that the muscles start to break down and become weaker. Slow healing. Protein is essential for the repair of tissues in the body. Without enough protein, wounds and injuries may take longer to heal. Fatigue. Without enough protein, the body may not have enough energy to function properly, leading to feelings of fatigue and weakness. Mood changes. Proteins are necessary for the production of certain neurotransmitters that affect mood, such as serotonin and dopamine. A lack of protein may lead to mood changes, such as irritability and depression. Skin, hair, and nail problems. A lack of protein can cause dry, brittle hair, thinning hair, and dry skin. It can also cause nails to become weak and brittle. Increased risk of bone fractures. Protein is necessary for maintaining strong bones. A lack of protein can lead to a higher risk of bone fractures and osteoporosis. Increased appetite and calorie intake. Protein is essential for feeling full and satisfied after meals. A lack of protein can lead to increased hunger and a higher calorie intake. Risk of infections. Proteins are essential for the immune system to function properly. A lack of protein can weaken the immune system, increasing the risk of infections and illnesses. Fatty liver. A lack of protein can lead to a buildup of fat in the liver, which can cause liver damage and lead to other health problems. Inhibited body growth in children. Protein is essential for growth and development in children. A lack of protein can lead to inhibited body growth and developmental delays. To fix protein deficiency, it's important to increase your intake of protein-rich foods. Whether you follow a plant-based diet or include animal products in your meals, there are many options for getting enough protein. Aim to eat about 0.4 to 0.5 grams of protein for every pound of body weight to ensure that you are getting enough protein to meet your needs. For example, if you weigh 150 pounds, you would need about 60 to 75 grams of protein per day. If the protein you eat has all the 9 types of amino acids you need to get from food, it is called a complete protein. Great sources of complete proteins are fish, poultry, chicken, duck, or turkey, eggs. Plant-based sources such as quinoa, buckwheat, soybeans, chia seeds, hemp seeds, and spirulina. While many plant-based sources of protein may not be complete on their own, combining different sources can provide all the essential amino acids needed for a complete protein. For example, rice and beans, or hummus, and whole wheat pita bread can form a complete protein when eaten together. It's important to include a variety of protein sources in your diet to ensure that you are getting all the essential amino acids your body needs for optimal health. Thank you for watching. Press the like button and subscribe for more health content.